Burnout is real. You start your creator journey full of excitement, posting, building, growing, but over time that spark fades. You're not lazy or unmotivated, you're exhausted, and that exhaustion can kill creativity faster than failure ever will. The good news is burnout isn't inevitable, it's preventable. Here's how to create and grow without losing yourself. Step 1. Redefine what productivity means. In the creator world, it's easy to equate productivity with posting nonstop. But creating more doesn't always mean growing more. True productivity isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Focus on impact over output. Your value isn't in your volume, it's in your voice. Step 2. Create from rest, not from pressure. The best ideas don't come from exhaustion, they come from recovery. Build rest into your strategy. Take breaks, step away, and reconnect with life offline. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is pause. Your creativity needs space to breathe. Step 3. Build systems that support you. Burnout often comes from carrying too much alone. You can't sustain creative success without structure. Use tools, templates, and automations to lighten the load. Batch content, schedule posts, and set realistic goals. Systems protect your creativity. Step 4. Stop comparing, start connecting. Comparison is the silent killer of creative energy. People post their highlights, not their behind the scenes. You're not in competition with anyone else's timeline. Focus on connecting with your audience and celebrating progress, yours and others. Growth feels lighter when built on gratitude, not pressure. Step 5. Protect your boundaries. Boundaries aren't walls, they're filters. They protect your peace and preserve your passion. Decide when you'll create, when you'll rest, and when you'll disconnect. Set limits on notifications and late-night work. Saying no isn't selfish, it's strategic. Step 6. Reconnect with your why. Burnout happens when you forget why you started. Passion turns into pressure, creativity turns into obligation. Revisit your purpose. Ask yourself, why did I start this? Who am I trying to help? What impact do I want to create? When your why is clear, your work becomes lighter. Step 7. Redefine success as sustainability. Anyone can go viral once, but the real win is longevity. Sustainable success isn't built on constant hustle, it's built on balance. Take care of your mind, body, and mission. Your creativity isn't a machine, it's a muscle. It grows with rest, care, and consistency. You don't need to create every day to matter. You just need to create when it means something. Protect your spark. Set boundaries, take breaks, stay grounded in your purpose. Because your voice matters, but only if you have the energy to use it.